Hello, I'm Maurice Prescott and welcome to How to D.I.Y. Recently I had a message from a subscriber. It reads, "Dear Maurice, I'd just like to say that I love your programme and I think that it gives excellent advice on many different subjects. Keep up the good work. Signed, Mum." This wasn't the message I was thinking of. This is it. "Hi Maurice, doing a show like yours, do you get nervous or get butterflies in your tum-tum?" To answer that part of your question, no, I don't get nervous. Most of the time, I don't even know what I'm doing. What was I doing? Alright, tum-tum. Doing a show like yours would make me nervous. I know some people who get nervous when they have to perform. For the camera. Their nervousness causes them to get hiccups. Do you know any cures for hiccups? Thank you for that question, Suzanne. Keep watching to find out how to DIY. Let's take a look at what makes you get hiccups in the first place. Like our viewer said, doing something that makes you nervous. Eating your food too quickly. Eating food that is too spicy for you. Gulping down your drink. Doing strenuous exercise after a big meal. Any of these causes sound familiar to you? Normally, you don't notice your breathing until you sigh. Yawn. Take a deep breath. Or even do some rigorous exercises. You especially notice your breathing when you've got hiccups. So what's happening medically? A hiccup is an involuntary spasm of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is located below the ribs and beneath the lungs. The diaphragm is regulated by the vagus nerve. Are you sure about that? That sounds like a medical condition for gamblers. When hiccups occur, the vagus nerve is simply having a glitch and has lost its rhythm. So what's the answer? You just have to calm your vagus nerve. But how do we do this? Here are a few remedies. Most need to be applied for a few minutes in order for your hiccups to stop. The idea is the time taken will trick your vagus nerve into taking back control. Put your fingers and thumbs firmly in your ears. This is where your vagus nerve is closest to the surface. Have a non-stop big glass of water, taking your time whilst drinking. Is this right? Have your drink from the opposite side of your glass. Lean forward and drink from the other side of the glass. Turn yourself upside down. Breathe into a paper bag. Be sure it's empty. Breathe in and out slowly and purposefully. Be given a shock. Not an electrical shock. We mean a fright. Well, I hope one of these remedies works for you. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on How to DIY with me, Maurice Prescott.